just to put that site out there, and that would be, I guess you could call it the campaign site or however you'd want to word it. That would be the main one, and then we would link into, say, Stand with Boston and Stand with Oracle and different cities that have decided to stand up against what's going on, and link us all together and, become one and be united.
Okay, yeah. No. I'm sorry. There's a lot of stuff going on here in the background. So we're actually...
Well, just as long as you don't get pulled over again.
Wendy, what did you... Oh, you know what? I want to hear your comments on that. What were you thinking?
I was saying that what was talked about within our group was that the Operation Stand United would be the main front page, and then we would connect in and link up with, say, Boston and Oracle that have come to the same understanding and agreement that we have, and join in and link us up and have different links on the webpage to go to different things and different news articles and, blogs that we can, educate everybody on.
Yes, absolutely. Now, Wendy...
The constitutional rights that we have.
That's right. Now, Wendy, let me ask you something. Well, did you see the video of the SWAT teaming, the armed... Yeah, when I got pulled over.
You got pulled over?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, well, not I got pulled over with the entire convoy. You were.
Well, not you, because you weren't driving, but...
Yeah, we had the entire Go ahead.
A lot of people here were on the edge of their seats worried about you.
So how do you think I did? I was very respectful, right? Did you believe that I handled it right? Should I have said more or less?
Yeah, no, I think you handled it right. You pledged your Fifth Amendment, which you're entitled to, and the fact that you didn't know, you're coming into a state where you're not aware of the laws of whether or not you are legally responsible to disclose your personal information, and therefore you are acting respectfully.
Yes. I did.
I'm sure that, they see all those vehicles and they're like, oh,
yes,
here's a big
yes.
group of people, what's going on? So they were on the defense.
Get on the freeway. Okay. Yes, sorry about that. We're actually conducting a covert operation right now. And I'm sorry for the interruption. Yes. No. Oh, we're actually just following in the convoy here. So here we are. We're making some evasive maneuvers.
One thing that I can suggest, Pete, is a lot of people are, criticizing the myriad of people and what you guys are doing and calling, you guys a hate convoy. Just keep, explaining what exactly it is that your mission, what you guys are doing, and get people to understand that you're not there to cause hate and,
no.
Disrupt things.
It's not a hate convoy, by the way.
Well, that's what they're saying, so.
Okay, I'm really sorry.
I've met most of you guys on the convoy, and I can totally say that is the total opposite of what you guys are.
It's not the case. Certainly not the case. Now, if you just saw a very frightened look on my face, there's a good reason for that. And I can't disclose exactly why. I can't, yeah, so just here, hold on. I can't even show you where we're going here, okay? But everything's doing good. Just want to let you know.
I'm talking to you on the phone. I'm not watching the stream right now because I'm on the phone with you.
Yeah, I'm not even showing where we're going, so at this point, all right?
At this point, with everything that's happened so far along the route,
Go in. Do we want to go in to the right? Huh? Really? Hey, stand by. Hold on. Stand by. Hold on 1 second. We have a couple of spotters here. Okay. Stand by. Okay. You guys, I'm going to give you some coverage here. Okay. Of what's going on. We actually had somebody just jump into our convoy to disrupt it. Okay? Okay? So, all right, now listen. All right, this is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go on a live stream. I'm going on a live stream right now. I have to do this. Okay? All right, license plate number DV. Write this down, Wendy. You ready? License plate number DV8SZY. DV8SZY. Everybody write this down right now. Write it down. Write it down. And we're going on the live stream. Okay, here we go. All right, everybody go to the live stream, see what's going on. That's correct. We have some disruptors right now that are attempting to pull the convoy over. Okay? Huh? That's our vehicle, yes. No, stand by. No. No. Dial 911. Dial 911. Yep, that's what we're going to do. We're dialing 911 right now. Okay? 911, we have a vehicle here. Hold on 1 second. All right, here we go. Stand by. Hold on 1 second, you guys. Okay, stand by, ladies and gentlemen. If you're looking on the live stream, we are right now in the middle of the 10 freeway. 911, we're in a convoy, border convoy, and we are actually out on the freeway with an individual that has just about stopped all traffic out on the freeway, and we have PD responding. Sorry about that. Cancel that. Okay. Okay, we have El Paso PD. No. What's going on here? What's going on? Whoa. Get that car. No. Get that car. Okay, stand by. Hey. Hey, grab your camera. Grab your camera. Okay, you guys, I got to set the mic down. I got a little minor emergency, okay? So stand by. Okay? Stand by. All right, Kenny, do me a favor. You stay right here. You just tell everyone.
Right now, we got a guy that tried to get up between me and the lead car and stop it. And then the police came and they're pulling over our driver. So we got the other guy blocked in. So y'all keep talking. Who's ever on the line?
Yeah, I'm here with General.
All right, Jen's out here too. Still out there with you?
We were running our flashers and everything, so.
Yeah, just for those that aren't actually watching the stream, what I could see when it happened was I actually see people walking up to, I believe it's a black truck that was basically trying to
trying to run across the road. Why are you pulling us over for?
They literally stopped on the freeway. So on one of the busiest freeways in the nation, they actually stopped in the middle of the freeway and are now pulled over on the side of the freeway with the convoy. I understand that there's police there, and I know Pete's talking to the car. I see the police walking up to the car right now. Pete's over with the car that was trying to stop them, and the convoy is actually walking up to them right now. So for those of you, this may be a little bit late on the stream or early. I see another cop joining also. So literally there's people on the left-hand side of the freeway and the right-hand side of the freeway stopped. It looks like, if I'm not mistaken, all traffic is stopped on the freeway right now.
You get in there, you freak in. Pull onto our boat. Guys trying to run us off the road.
All traffic lanes.
He's holding up, so stop.
completely.
He should have gotten up there and seen what was going on.
So
We had a guy trying to pull in opposition, trying to block us off and push us off the road. He's going to push off a big 40-foot motor on me. He's got another thought in his brain.
Now, Kenny, am I not mistaken? All lanes are actually shut down at the moment. Okay. Yeah, so they're walking back to the motorhome right now to speak. I know that there's some,
Yeah, let them block the whole freeway shut down. They got the whole freeway shut down. The guy trying to run us off the road. I would have pushed him off the road. I don't care what kind of damage if he hadn't moved over.
yeah, they are in a different state.
You know, I believe
know
in my
that
First Amendment. I believe in being left alone too.
Yeah. Yeah,